You are gonna lose your mind when you hear how much these toys cost. Every single one here is priced at no less than $8,000. These guys are taking toys to a whole new level. They are building them by hand with scale replicas ranging from 1/14th to 1/10th scale. Some of these weigh over 220 pounds and can easily carry a person. Every detail is meticulously crafted. Solid metal frames, hydraulic systems or high-powered brushless motors, heavy-duty metal servos, durable steel wheels or tracks, remote control systems precise to the millimeter. Everything operates just like real construction equipment out there. All right, take a look at the most expensive RC excavator here. Can you guess how much it costs?